Welcome to the best place to find current digital marketing strategies for tour companies. Our channel, How to Start a Tour Company, is here if you're trying to efficiently and effectively grow your existing tour company or starting a brand new one. We dive deep into the essentials of getting your tour venture off the ground and making it a roaring success. Starting a tour company is exciting but can feel overwhelming. Don't worry. Whether you're into boat charters, horseback riding tours, thrilling scuba diving, or even off-road adventures, we've got tips and tricks to make the process smoother and more efficient. From short-form content to long-form digital storytelling, we can help you grow your tour business on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and most importantly, Google. Also, you're not alone. Join a community of fellow tour operators. Click the link in the description to join our brand new Facebook group where tour operators help each other grow by sharing insights, experiences, and support. So, subscribe to our channel, dive into our videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our updates. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing tour business, we're here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching, and let's make your tour business dream a reality.